Good afternoon. My name is Maria El Pilar. I'm today going to the intervene. Let's start.
Tell us about yourself.
Good afternoon. My name is Pilar. I am 30 years old and live with my children and my husband at the moment. I am not working for her resume that left I am to tell and bang and bang in the free time and have left and the ship to the quality control course industrial choking to learn and the be atal to perform and work as long possibly to ready.
What motivated you?
My main motivation is the children for me they hard support and the whole book emotion and sentimental.
What are your hobbies?
My own hobby are reading and for time to tell and life to play sport.
What are your future plans if you do have this hope?
My life to catching in the tal and the was established in order half as talent, art, economy, and the be hard to achieve many organs in the world and help in mind.
What are your future goals of what are your career goals?
Whilst the throne and the tal for the professional golf return and design the forming and the team moment in where the view have a hobby steaming until ruin the pension.
What do you see as major success in your life?
While the front and the what instinct have the dexin to burn, interfere and the continue with this, wielding the gun to a student and continue working until the experience hard see death.
Why did you left your last job?
The tour was what was very dead and the what time and from the personal problem what at the rending time to sad.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
The true inferior and will look like of and the figure what the working scene in this main world and the scene in the love for pension. Tell us what you felt.
Good afternoon, my name is Dana. I'm 13 years old. I live with my children and my father. At the moment, I am not working for health reasons that led me to take advantage of the time that I had left and decide to quality control course in underserved to learn and be able to perform in our work as long as possible to retail.
What motivated you?
My main motivation is my children. For me, they are source of support and help both emotionally and sentimental.
What you do hobbies?
My main hobby is dance. También I like learning.
What you future plan in your head hip hop?
Mainly to achieve it and that is I will start things in order to have slightly healthy economy be able to achieve my goals in what I have I mean.
What are your future goals and what are your car goals?
Well, the truth is that the professional goals return and side that for me at this moment I will be to have a job stability until reaching the pension.
What do you see has results in your life?
Well, the truth is that I still have a desire to be an entrepreneur and continue with the desire to study and continue working until the spirit and still here.
With your heart, your love hobby?
The truth what is that I was very tired, and at the time also I had personal problems that I needed time to solve.
What you do sell hyphens in your years?
The truth, in 5 years I will like a little older, and I would want the working since as me good and achieve Lotten for pension.
Thank you.